We have this beauty here, still going with the old rims. We decided to go for a winter rim and tire together. We ordered a rim and tire from US. Stagger 22, gorgeous rim. And we powder coated to the gorgeous gold color, which is gonna match all the trims on the car. My buddy is here, owner. He's so excited. He wants to see what's going to be. It looks like.
I want to buy it again.
You're going to buy it again, baby. You're going to see the car as it is, and then we're going to put the rim back into the car, the new rim, and then you're going to see the difference. Yeah, this is how we pimp the ride even in winter. You want a winter tire? You don't want to be boring winter rim tire? You come with the idea. This is what we're going to do. We have a set of 22 with a beautiful continental winter tire. We set on the car, it still looks going to be crazy on the winter, and still you're going to enjoy your ride. Be with us. We have Adi here. We call it Al, Alex, whatever you want to call it. One of the most successful entrepreneur, businessman in Toronto. This guy, I know him for a long time. We've been dealing and waiting together for a long time. We built that trust, and this is my man. Your car is ready. Enjoy it. That's how we do it at P.A.R.S Moto, baby. If you have one of these monster, you want to do something different, contact us at P.A.R.S Moto. Go to our YouTube channel, watch our video, subscribe, and press ding.